Alright, let's try that. I think I got you guys where I want you. I just wanted to show you what this looks like when I'm going up and down hills and things like that. Kind of get an idea of what I'm tacking versus my engine load and RPMs. Here's a steep hill, that same one. The top of the hill. Right. There's that torque. I like that. I don't know. Oh, my cookie. Go down a hill. Then we're going to cruise on around here. Hopefully you guys can see the tach in miles per hour. Oh yeah. All right. Cruising 25, and you can see what I'm tacking, I hope. Right about 26, 25, 26, close enough. Here's that hill. Good downshift, and off we go. Both brakes. That's about it. I just wanted to show you guys, and that is with me in the center hole of that driven clutch pulley. I think I might try the highest torque, that's the far left hole, and see what that does. To get a hair more RPM, but I still want that early clutch engagement I get from these pink springs. I really like that. So I'll get back with you and we'll see it from there. Thanks a lot.